Welcome to VM Wealth Money Moves, your weekly roundup of the market movements that matter. On the equity market, JMMB Group Limited released a prospectus on October 16th for their additional offer of share. They will be issuing up to 325 million shares at $38 for reserved and existing shareholders and $38.75 for the general public. The offer will be open on October 22nd at 9 a.m. and close by November 7th at 3 p.m. This additional capital will be used to fund JMMB's acquisition of a 22% stake in the Sagicor Financial Corporation. On the money market, last week's 30-day CD offer by the BOJ was for $10 billion. 47 bids were received, summing to $22.02 billion. Only 14 of these bids were successful, with the average yield on these bids being 1.20%. On the bond market, possibilities of a near-reaching Brexit deal has caused the demand for US Treasuries to fall, as the market was risk-on. Last week, the benchmark US 10-year Treasury yield increased by 4 basis points to close at 1.77% on October 15th. In addition, the risk appetite for investors increased as there has been increasing optimism surrounding a pending trade deal between the US and China. The minutes of the meeting of the Federal Open Market Committee were also released last week. The Fed had cut interest rates by 25% earlier this month, and the meeting minutes indicated that if necessary, they will cut interest rates again. On October 11th, the Fed also announced that they will begin purchasing US $60 billion in Treasury bills per month in order to keep interest rates low and add liquidity to the market. A cut in interest rates may divert investors to emerging market bonds in order to get higher yields. On the FX market, last week there was an increased demand for the US dollar, which caused the Jamaican dollar to slide. However, by October 15th, the demand pulled back. On this date, the weighted average selling rate closed at $137.80, representing a 2.03% depreciation month to date. Contact your expert VM Wealth advisor before you make your next money move. Email wealthinfo@myvmgroup.com.